hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to me, my name is Georgette, and my channel, I strive to inspire you, to motivate you, and in doing so, you may just be transformed. Yes. So, guys, welcome to my channel, and this is my daughter's college, Red Hawks, Simpson University in California. So I'm rocking the entire suit today. I'm hanging out here, just chilling today, just really doing some light work and doing a lot of inner work today. I've decided to do a lot of inner work today. I've meditated 3 times for the day already, and I will meditate going to bed. And I'm doing a lot of inner work and some light work on the computer. And so I gotta drop a video, so I'm now shooting my video for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please wait till the end and gain some value. And then you may subscribe and share and like and comment. Yes. So guys, today what I want to talk about is, I was reading this book a couple of weeks ago. I just ended reading that book, and I'm on another book now. And they talk about the ego. You know, we all have egos, and that ego that is 99.99% of the time what we operate from. And I really wanted to know what this ego is. This ego is our names. What is your name? That's your ego. What are your thoughts? What are your beliefs? What is the color of your skin? Where do you live? Your ego is everything that pertains to you. Okay? And have you ever heard someone say, oh, he has so much ego, he's so egotistical, or she has such a huge, big ego? Some people call you an ass or whatever for having such big ego. But what is the ego? Ego is just everything about you. But in going towards great success, to be successful, you got to get rid of some of that ego. The ego is your belief system, your thoughts. You know, I remember one of my mentors' program that I purchased, and he said, if you are out and about, perhaps in a crowd, and someone call you out of your name, us females calls us a bitch. Even guys call you a bitch. You're ready to fight. I'm not a bitch. I'm not a bitch. That is the ego. Because my name is Georgette. And if you call me something else, then we tend to take offense to that. That's the ego within us. You know, even sometimes I make up my girl's name. My older daughter is Jordanelle, and my younger daughter is Jordan. Now, a lot of people tend to call her Jordan. And like I say, our ego is our name. And when you misspell our names or mispronounce our names, we take offense to that. And I can attest to that even as I reach out to people and I communicate with people online. The auto spell tend to correct. If someone has a weird name, weird spelt name, the auto correct tend to correct it to, I guess, a popular word. And even just, I think today, the gentleman said to me, my name is, he spelled his name, and I said, oh, I'm so sorry. I guess it's the auto correct. And so that's our ego, you know? Don't call me out of my name. Call my name properly. You know, don't call me the B word. Don't call me that's the ego within us. Everything, your skin color, everything, your thoughts, everything that your core beliefs, everything is your ego. Have you ever had a conversation with someone and it just got heated? Because no, I don't agree with you on that. No, that is not that is not so. You have some people that are very argumentative just for casual conversation. They just don't agree with you and they're ready to just blow up. That's the ego within us, our beliefs, our thoughts, everything about us, to our core. And some people are just not willing to change their beliefs, No, 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 no. I don't agree with you. That's why I don't get caught up in religion and politics, because those get heathen. People believe what they believe about politics and about religion, and that's it. And so let's talk about, because my channel is all about, improving your self-worth and your net worth, and going after your goals and becoming very successful. And it's all about mindset. It is all about changing up. You got to change your beliefs, because growing up, beliefs were implanted in us. All of those beliefs that we have is not our own. So you got to get rid of those beliefs that's not yours. You got to get your own beliefs now. You're an adult. Yes. And that's how you get rid of that ego, that big old ego, all those old beliefs. Yes. If you would love success, great success, you got to get rid of the ego. And what is the ego? Like I said, it is your self-belief, your thoughts, your mindset has to be changed. And so how do you do that? How do you get rid of that ego, those beliefs that is not yours, that's not serving you? And so my channel is all about mindset and shifting. How do you change your beliefs? You can start with meditation. You can start with affirmation. Change the words that you are saying. Change the thoughts that you are thinking. And through meditation, you can tend to start to calm yourself down, not be so hyper with this big ego. And through a lot of things, I'm going to leave a link below where you can check out the step-by-step guide, because it's a lot of things you will need. You'll need to do the mirror work. You'll need to look at yourself and call yourself some words, to get rid of that ego. You will need to practice meditation and visualization. You will need to practice affirmations. You will need to practice saying a lot of things. And through repetition, you will get rid of that ego. But that's all the ego is. The ego is your name. The ego, it's your thoughts and your beliefs, your mindset. And so to really achieve great success, you got to change your mindset. You have to change those beliefs that were implanted in you from a young child. You have to change your thoughts. You have to change your action, the things you do. You have to change your environment, the people you hang out with, the phone calls that you take. You have to change your ego if you want great success. And so the link below has step-by-step guide. I promise you, in 30 days, you will see a difference, and to take you closer to big goals, achieving big goals, take you closer to success. So it's in the link below. Also, I have a free gift for you. I wrote me an ebook, and it's like a 10-minute read. The link below, please grab your free gift. So this was real short and sweet. How big is your ego? How to get rid of that big ego and achieve great success. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please smash the subscribe and like and share and put your notifications on. Yes, come on, support your girl. And I'm going to leave other videos popping up, so stay on my channel and keep watching. I thank you and I love you from the depth of my heart. I send you love and light. Mwah. Bye-bye. Go Red Hawks. Go.